this. Look at this. The UPS just left this package out for anyone to just pick it up. Literally, that's not good at all. Safely secured. Boy. Yeah. Okay. Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. And that clip you just saw should be when I was picking up the package. This is what I picked up. Our ramps. I'm going to be using this to hopefully help me to change out the O2 sensor inside the Jeep Grand Cherokee. But for right now, I need to take the Challenger to go get the oil change. I'm just gonna go to like one of those I don't even know, it's just like a normal like place that just changes oil. I know how people, they always say, oh, you should change oil yourself, and you know, whatever. Honestly, I've been going here for like a while. They've done all of my cars. I mean, knock on, had nothing to knock on, but it's been okay. So I'm gonna just go get my oil change real quick, just because the amount of stuff that you have to buy to change oil, it really is easier just having someone else do it for you, because I don't feel like having to deal with that. Plus then you have to dispose of all of the oil when you're done. But yeah, I don't know, I'm gonna go do that real quick. I'm gonna get the Challenger oil change. But the only thing I'm a little concerned with is the size of these tires for this ramp. I don't know if I can even use this ramp because these tires are so wide. I think it says it can't be more than 9.5 inches. This is that might be 9.5 inches. If it's too big, it's fine, because I've been getting underneath the car without any problems at all. But we'll see. But yeah, today we're going to be doing a couple different things, so I want to hurry up. I'm trying to get the oil change quickly, change the O2 sensor. So I think we want to go to, there's a tattoo expo in our area. I want to go to that today because I really want to get a tattoo. Don't have any, but I really would like to get one, or at least like look at some tattoos and get some tattoo ideas. But without further ado, let's do a cold start, because I wouldn't be a YouTuber if I didn't do a cold start. I have to say, the 5.7, it may not be the most powerful engine in the world, but it sounds good. It sounds really good, honestly. I think, but out of all the three muscle cars, I still think the Coyote from the Mustang sounds the best. That's just my personal opinion, but I still think the 5.7 sounds all right. I mean, obviously the Scat Pack sounds better, but the 5.7, for what it is inside track mode, when the valves are fully opened, it sounds great. And when I want it to be quiet, I could take it off of track mode, put it in normal mode, and it's a lot quieter. I love that. So I'm loving this stock exhaust for what it is for right now. But let's hurry up. I'm gonna hurry up and go there, and then we can get this done with. And we're done with that. Hopefully you guys even hear me. You probably can't hear me at all. But yeah, so the oil's changed right now. That's great. We're on our way back home to change the O2 sensor inside of the Jeep. Oh, the Jeep lady. It's a Jeep lady. She had the doors off, but we're going back home now to change the O2 sensor. So hopefully we can hurry up and do this, because we have stuff to do later today. It's 10 o'clock. It was 9:59 in the morning. Oh, hopefully this won't take me too long to do this. Yeah. I'll catch back up with you guys when we get back home. We're back. Okay guys, so this is what I have to do. Let me show you guys the ramps and the size of the tires. I'm gonna have to back the car up. This might work if I straighten out the wheels and everything. I'm gonna back this up and see if I can pull this on here. Hopefully it'll be on here. As long as I get it centered, I might have enough room. If not, I don't really need it. I can fit underneath the car without it, but it might help to have it a little bit higher up on a ramp. But yeah, so I need to hurry up, because I'm trying to do multiple things right now. I need to cut the grass as well, so I'm gonna try to do this, cut the grass, and then also work in a couple sets in while I'm doing all of this. I'm trying to always I swear I'm always trying to like do multiple things at once to try to just utilize my time the most effectively that I can. But when I was looking online, someone else, when they did the O2 sensor, they said try not using that tool and just using a normal, like a wrench. I think he said a 7/8 wrench, and I think I have one around here somewhere. I'm gonna look to see if I have one, because yeah, using this tool, it just wasn't working for me. I don't know, I could not get it off quick. Oh, another thing, a viewer, they actually gave me a really cool tip with the AC. I don't know if I have any like wire, like speaker wire. I might not, but it showed me a really cool tip, or something that I can do. I want to try that out if I have any wire. If I don't, I'm gonna have to go to the store and buy some real quick. But yeah, without further ado, let me hurry up and do this, and yeah. Okay, yeah, that's actually a lot of room. Wow. Put the parking brake on. I'm gonna put something behind the rear wheel as well. It's on there pretty centered. So that's good. I just kind of want to make sure it won't move. Just give it a little tug. Okay, yeah, it's pretty much on there. But I'm gonna put something behind the rear wheel. Okay, all right, now that that's taken care of, I'm not gonna go from the side, because just in case it does roll, I don't want it to roll back on me. I'll go this way, so if it rolls back, I have plenty of room still. Yeah. Still gonna be a pain in the butt, but let me show you guys what I've been looking at. The O2 sensor's there. It's just not, no matter what, man, this thing is, and the engine's still a little bit warm from just me driving it just up on the ramp, so this is still hot. I'm trying to be careful to not hit that. This is just, it's not moving no matter what. I'm gonna try to get a wrench and try to see if I can get it. Okay, well, I'm calling Uncle on this one. I just cannot do it. Sucks that I invested way more money than I should have in just doing a stupid O2 sensor. I can't get it off. It's so stuck. The ramp still did come handy. I was able to reattach it. I just can't get it off. Like literally, I've tried even like using a hammer to try to like torque it off. It's like so stuck on there. I was able to actually, I tried doing another one. I was able to unloosen another one and tighten that one back up. It's just this one, it's almost like it's welded straight into the actual pipe. It might, honestly, you might have to like literally take the pipe off just to get it unstuck. Like the exhaust, it's just so stuck on there that I can't do it. I even tried using like wrenches, which I'll show you. Even tried using like full wrenches. It's a 7/8 size you can use. Try using that, try using a hammer, try different attachments, try different stuff. I just cannot get it off. I don't want to deal with this anymore, so I'm not going to. But I'm gonna clean everything up, and then yeah, I don't know. I really want to drive the Jeep today because I haven't driven it in a while, and man, it looks good. There is an off-road place that's kind of close to us that I would love to go to just go check it out. Not sure of the legality of how legal it is, but I want to go there and see if I can check it out real quick. But yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna back this thing off this, and yeah, we'll see what else needs to be done. We are downtown Niagara Falls. Alright, so we just got done with the Tattoo Fest. I did not film in there. There was a little bit too much nudity in there to like film, so I didn't film in there. All right, so we just got done with that. Didn't film in there because there was wasn't really sure if I could really film in there because there was people getting tattoos, kind of some nudity stuff, and also like I saw signs of saying like don't take pictures of people's like their artwork, so I didn't really want to. I didn't film in there really, but that was okay. It's kind of cool. This is downtown Niagara Falls on the USA side. It's not really much, but there's something here. Yeah, I don't really know what else we're gonna be doing. We might have some people come over. Not sure yet, but it's a beautiful day out. Look at the temperature. It's 86 degrees out, and it's a hot one. But yeah, I don't know. We didn't really eat today, so we're gonna go get some food, and then I'll catch up with you guys after that. There's a giant bike thing going on.
Look, their little pants say New York City to Niagara Falls.
Oh, wow.
Like New York City on one leg, Niagara Falls.
Yeah. Let's see. I can film this. All right, so we're back now. We just got back home. Looks like we're gonna be driving to downtown Buffalo to meet some friends, to go out to get something to eat at a brewery. Yeah, I don't know, the Tattoo Expo thing, that was okay. I don't know, it was smaller than what I thought it was going to be. But without further ado, I have to stop and get some gas because, as you can see, I'm running kind of low. Still pretty warm out. Yeah, so we're gonna go do that, and yeah, we'll pick up after that. And we are back. All right, cool. So we just got done eating at this restaurant that's like it's pretty close to like the marina. If you look behind me, actually, it's kind of cool. We're like right off the water and everything. It's kind of a cool like location. But yeah, so now we're gonna go get some ice cream because, you know, why not? I will want to mention one thing though. There's this Charger that's next to me that parked. He definitely parked here because he saw me like parked here. I don't think this is a Hemi. If it is, it's debadged. It's like the previous gen. It looks kind of cool though. It's all white. I like it, but I can see what you've done here. I see you. All right, what's up, guys? So this is the next day. It looks like I'm gonna end the video here. Yesterday we stayed out. We had some fun. Just, I don't know, hung out with some friends, and I forgot to end the video. But I wanted to end the video and tell you guys just for the next couple of days, I definitely want to really just get the Jeep out. I want to just drive it more. I have been driving it a lot actually, but I want to find somewhere to take it off-road. That's my goal this week. I'm gonna go someplace. I think I know one place where I might be able to go, so that should be coming up. I definitely want to do some more stuff with this, and I also want to do another video with the Challenger, doing some more 0 to 60 runs, because I really want to see what's the best 0 to 60 run I can get in this while it's in its stock form. But yeah though, so like that, I'm gonna end the video here. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like this video, give it a like. Check out some of the other videos on my channel. Follow me on Instagram, OmegaGreed, all one word, same name as the YouTube channel. And like that, I'm out of here. Goodbye.